Food is a very human expression. It's part of our communities, part of our cultures, and part of who we are. It's a way we express ourselves. I'm a Midwesterner through and through, and championing that spirit of food production is very much alive here. It's not lost on me that very early into the city's history, manufacturing and brewing has stayed through to this day as we've started the test center here with our fermenters now at GEA. We've brewed things that's been part of Janesville's history, and now we're brewing different things.
I've always been a very curious person about nature. It's a place to relax your mind, and some of the best ideas I've ever had come while I'm swimming. I was born in Wisconsin in the farming community. I've always been interested in food and having an impact in the world. At Onego Bio, we use biotechnology to make food in a different way in the hope that it would always be available in the future. Our method of precision fermentation is very similar to brewing beer, except that we brew protein through fermentation. These methods have been used for over 50 years, so it's a very standard industry process that we are working with. You have a microbe, and putting it in a bioreactor, a fermenter, and feed it sugar, and that sugar is being eaten by the microbe, and the microbe then is producing our protein. The challenges in this process is the sheer volume we're working in. In a 200,000 or 300,000 liter process, we have all that liquid in a bioreactor tank, and then there's a separation process, and there's a filtration process and a drying process to get the protein out of the liquid and into a dry powder. What excites me about making this precision fermentation protein is that you can apply it to lots of other products. And I'm looking forward to the day when we're able to buy products with our ingredient in it. The GEA Test Center in Janesville is very helpful for our startup company because we're able to test different equipment and get the opinions from their experts and real data on those processes that we need for scaling up. I believe there's a link between the Wisconsin brewing tradition and what we're doing now, so it's also nice that there's a facility in Wisconsin as well. GEA will put together a series of equipment to do the optimal downstream processing of our product. They will design it and deliver it, and that's actually very reassuring for a startup who has little experience with doing this manufacturing process ourselves.
Our test facility has a variety of things to support both new food and beverage systems.
We'll sterilize it, we'll connect and take a 2-liter sample.
Awesome. Where you come when you want to try out a different food process at scale. Whether that be with pasteurizers, fermenters, decanters, centrifuges, we're kind of engineer and food scientist playland, if you will. You get to see someone's idea really come to life. Tend to see some yeast. Ta-da. Being able to provide proteins in a different context is super valuable for food systems. Onego is a great example of that in that they have a highly functional protein that they're producing at scale. So that scaling exercise has been taking the whole arc of what this product is going through in a plant so that we can help best design that plant, helping them with installation and commissioning and troubleshooting problems and getting it to an industrialized system. So it's been really rewarding to be able to provide them the tools to be able to take that further. Food is the energy that keeps us alive, but it's also community. When I think about the future of food, the Test Center has really opened up a way to rediscover old friends, these molecules that we've had for centuries. There's so many awesome recipes, so many good ideas. It's kind of remixing those old things or maybe finding new paths for them.